Here I have Panasonic Eluga Tapp, and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use upper bar right here twice, and here let's tap on Do Not Disturb. You can tap once and then the following options should pop up. Here you have to decide either you would like to use total silence, so this block all sounds and vibrations including from alarms, music, videos and games. But of course you still be able to make a phone call. You can also choose priority only, so you won't be disturbed by the priority, and you can tap alarms only. Alright, in my case let me choose alarms only, and here you can choose the period of time. You can choose until you turn it off, but you can choose some other period of time, for example 2 hours. Alright, let's tap done. As you can see right now, the icon of Do Not Disturb should pop up, but you can also find Do Not Disturb in settings, so it's worth to check it out. Let's tap settings. Here let's find and select sound and notifications, tap Do Not Disturb, and here you can use some priority definition. So here you can handle with events, reminders. You can accept some calls or messages from some favorite contacts, or for example from some start contacts, and here you can also handle with repeat callers. And what's also really interesting, here you can arrange some automatic rules. For example, you can enable Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, or you can add some other customized rules. Alright, so basically that's it. Now you can start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.